Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I have a Walmart shop with me and haul where I'm going to bring you along through the store to share with you a bunch of new items that they recently just released. Now, most of these items are going to be in the kitchen department and I cannot wait to share them with you. So many of them are so good. Once we finish the shop with me, I'm going to come back here and share with you the few items that I did get. And as always, I will have everything that I can linked in the description box down below for you. So if you do see something you like in today's video, make sure to check down there. It seems like it's been quite a while since they've released any new decor at Walmart, so fingers crossed that they do that soon. And you know I will bring you guys a first look whenever they do that. I will be doing a fun little giveaway with what I am suspecting to be a best seller from this new line that just released. So make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video. That will be going on over on my Instagram. So like I said, if you're not already following me, make sure to do so because that giveaway will be live by the time this video goes up. If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me over on my social media accounts. They will all be linked down below. And before we get into the video, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, Live It Up. Now, a couple videos back, I mentioned that I started taking their Super Greens powder for helping with my digestion, my low energy, and bloating. It also provides immune support, which I'm pretty sure every single one of us can benefit from, especially with us having a baby in our home. There's just extra germs, so I am always trying to keep my immunity up. Now, they do have a couple different flavors, the original flavor, and then they also have the wild berry flavor, which in my opinion is my favorite. And I like to keep my Super Greens powder in this fun little container that they sent over, so it makes it nice and easy. In the morning when I'm running out the door, I can simply just scoop one scoop into some water, mix it up, takes less than 30 seconds. It is so quick, which I love as a busy foster mom. I love that starting with one simple habit like taking the daily greens from Live It Up makes you feel more in control of your wellness. I know it can feel like we are doing everything for everyone else. So if you want to feel better in your own body, this is an easy first step that actually works. So if you would like to feel in control of your wellness and start a simple, easy habit every day, make sure to click the link in the description box down below or scan the QR code right here on the screen and use my code Molly15 to save 15% off on their website. Thank you so much to Live It Up for sponsoring today's video. And now let's go ahead and get into the shop with me. Getting this shop with me started, we're going to start in this section of all of the new kitchen gadgets from the Pioneer Woman. The first thing I saw was this rolling pin holder. I think this would be a nice addition to your kitchen if you did have room for it. They also have some utensil crocks with some wooden utensils included. They also have a salad spinner, and I saw this vegetable chopper, which I have one very similar to this from Amazon, and I absolutely love it. Now, a lot of her coloring is in this blue, kind of mint green color, definitely brighter colors. So if you do lean more towards the neutral colors like I do, then this collection might not be your favorite, but I still personally liked a lot of the items. She definitely incorporated a lot of wood into this collection, which I definitely like to see, and I do believe that blue is becoming a trending color. I'm not 100% sold on it yet, so I don't know that I will ever add blue to my kitchen, but I do think it's pretty when it is done correctly. This olive wood salt cellar was definitely one of my favorites from her collection. So beautiful, and it definitely looks like a higher end piece. I personally love having salt cellars in our kitchen. It is not only functional, but it is really pretty to style with. If you're needing any new wooden utensils, Walmart is definitely the place to go. They have so many different options. They have rolling pins, spoons, spatulas, you name it. They have a ton of different ones to pick from. These measuring cups with wooden handles were one of my favorites as well. These could either be displayed or obviously just put away to use for baking and cooking. The next two items are hands down my favorite from her collection. This set of 3 cutting boards would be perfect if you are looking to do a cutting board wall like the one I have. And then she also released these scalloped edged cutting boards as well. It comes with a set of 3 with those as well. This new lace cutting board is also one of my favorites. I love the detailing on here. This would be so pretty to use when you host, to put some bread with some oil on here. I do plan on styling this over on my Instagram, so if you do want to see that, make sure to follow me over there. I guess I didn't record all of her new dishes collection, but I did share more of them over on my Instagram, so I will leave my other favorites linked below, along with the story highlight that I have on my Instagram, sharing with you all of the other finds. Next, we're going to move over to this summer decor area. I wanted to share with you these jute poofs again. I have one of these that I've had for over a year now, and it has held up so well. They definitely have some great items in this area. This basket would be great to spruce up a faux tree in a corner of a room or something like that. I also really loved this dish. This would be perfect to have next to a bedside on a nightstand, or even in a closet or bathroom to put some of your jewelry. This is one of my favorite drink tables that I actually have in my home. And now moving over to this other summer collection that I know a lot of people have shared, so I didn't share everything. I'm really a fan of the neutral pillows. Love the scallop detailing, of course. I am definitely in my scalloped and fluted era. If you need a new summer doormat or any layering rugs to go underneath, Walmart definitely has you covered. All of these prices are such a good price point. Definitely make sure to check them out if you do need to spruce up your outdoor area. I did quickly want to touch on these outdoor hosting items that Walmart released a month or so ago, and I do really love them. They give an anthropology vibe, in my opinion. This olive green color is one of my favorites, and these glasses are such a good price for hosting. If you do have a large backyard with a table, so many of these would be so stunning to create a nice tablescape with. I actually got one of these cups in the green color, and I love having iced drinks in there. Moving to some of my favorite wine glasses that I found. This really subtle green color definitely stole my heart, but they also have a clear version as well. And again, you just cannot beat the prices at Walmart. I also found this throw that gave really high-end vibes, in my opinion, and would look so pretty layered at the end of a bed. The Beautiful by Drew Barrymore collection released so many new bedding items that are also really great. They have a lot of neutral options. They also have some colorful options as well, and she did release 2 new pillows. I love the stamped detailing on this white pillow. I had never seen this storage book before, so I thought I would share it. And then I also wanted to share some of the displays that this Walmart had. Has some of the new bedding from the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore collection, and I wanted to share with you my favorite nightstands. This is in the lighter wood color. I have the black. And then someone returned this vase by my Texas house, so I thought I would also share that with you in this video. But that is going to complete this shop with me, and now let's head home and I will share with you guys what I ended up picking up. Now that we have the shop with me portion of the video finished, I'm going to go through and share with you the 3 things that I ended up picking up from this new line. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I am going to be doing a giveaway with this first item that I'm sharing with you because I am suspecting that it is going to be the best-selling item from this collection. Now, if you are interested in winning these for yourself, make sure to head over to my Instagram. The link will be in the description below, and the giveaway will be up by the time this video goes live. So the first item being these beautiful set of 3 scalloped edged cutting boards. These are from the Pioneer Woman. I love her collection so much. She definitely did a great job with it in my opinion, but you guys will have to let me know in the comments below. These do come in right under $20. I believe I will have the exact price right here on the screen, but you can use these for so many different things, for charcuterie boards, for some hosting, or you can even use the larger one for some styling moments throughout your home. I saw these on their website. I immediately fell in love. I'm not 100% sure when they are going to release online for shipping. They are available for shipping here in Colorado, but I think it's only because one store here in town has them. I was able to snag 2 of them, so that's why I'm going to be giving one of them away to you guys. I did talk to another one of my friends on Instagram, and she said Walmart said there's a delay with them. Not 100% sure what that means or when they will get online, but like I said, if you guys are interested in winning these, make sure to head over to my Instagram. The next thing I got is also a set of 3 cutting boards. Surprise, surprise. I don't remember the exact price on these, but I do believe they're under $20 as well. I think it's very similar to these scalloped cutting boards. Now I got these to put on our cutting board wall, which makes me a little sad, but also I wanted to change it up a little bit. If you've been here for a while, you know all of the cutting boards on our cutting board wall that is just over there. My husband made all of them, so it's very special to me because he handmade every single cutting board on that wall. But I did want to add a little something different. I'm still going to keep some of his on there, obviously, but these are really nice. They have a strap on the top as well, so if you have been wanting to create a cutting board wall, I know a lot of you guys have found inspiration from ours, which makes me so happy. I love when you share that with me, when you recreate some spaces in your home. So this is a great option. They have 3 different sizes, like I said. The staining detail is really pretty. There's a lot of different colors and wood graining on here, which I think makes it look high-end. Obviously, these would be good for hosting as well if you wanted to do some charcuterie or something like that to place around the kitchen. And then the last thing that I picked up, I have actually been wanting one of these for quite some time. I have not gotten to use it yet, but I've seen so many videos over on Instagram of people getting one from Amazon. So when I saw this at Walmart, I decided, what the heck, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. So this is what it looks like. You guys will have to let me know if you have one at home and how you like it. So you put boiled or cooked chicken in here, and then you put the cover on and pretty much just twist back and forth and it'll shred your chicken for you, and apparently it just makes it really easy. I typically use my blender, which does get the job done, but I'm excited to see how this one works. So that is going to complete this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along to see all of the new items that Walmart has to offer. Like I said, the second that I hear they have some new decor, I will be bringing you guys that video, of course. So fingers crossed they do that soon. Thank you guys so much for being here as always and watching today's video, and a huge thank you to Live It Up for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to check the link in the description box down below and use my code Molly15 to save 15% off if you guys are interested, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.